The overall goal of this project is to produce organic particulate matter in the environmental chamber and characterize its chemical and physical properties.
The Harvard Environmental Chamber was built to study the formation of organic particulate matter and the reaction of gas-phase components at close to ambient conditions. This is the 10th year anniversary of chamber operations. The unique part of this chamber is that it is operated as a completely mixed flow reactor, providing the chance to do steady-state operation across days. To ensure the steady-state operation, the chamber uses a feedback system to control important chamber parameters and keep them stable. We can conduct various online and offline measurements that require days to finish because the concentrations of the gas and particle phase species remain stable indefinitely.
The Harvard Environmental Chamber consists of three parts. The first part is the seed aerosol generation and volatile organic compounds generation system. The second part is the environmental chamber itself. And the third part is the instrument analyzing this system.
Using seed particles in the reactions in the Harvard Environmental Chamber is a critical technique which allows a stable generation of particle phase organic materials. We specifically choose inorganic salts as seed particles, and in reactions, they will be coated with organic materials. We later do data analysis on the organic materials, and since we choose inorganic salts, the interference from seed particles can be minimized.
One of the instruments that we use here in our lab is a high-resolution time-of-flight aerosol mass spectrometer, or for short AMS. It's an instrument commercialized by Aerodyne Research, and nowadays it's widely used both in laboratory and